Guys, can we earn money $65 by just typing names? Does it possible? You can see this. People worldwide are actually getting paid by just naming things, just typing names, and that's it. I'm going to show you how you yourself can earn this much amount of money per hour. Guys, people per hour will help you to do it. How can we do it? How can we earn this much amount of money? Do you want to know? Just follow along this video and I'll show you what tools you can use in order to earn money this much. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just generating business names. Yes guys, it's a absolutely free of cost job and you are getting paid by just typing names, guys. Okay, so it's best job that you can ever do by just working from home, and the earning potential is great on this website. You can see this, guys. Whatever you are, whatever freelancing site you are, you just need to type names. Okay, you just need to type names and you can see this, guys. $65. Come up with 10 unique company names. $70, $150, $260. You can see this, how much people are actually earning this much amount. Okay, you can see this. And even in freelancer fiverr.com, okay, you can see this. I just need to type names and you can see the earning potential here, $30, and this guys has already given huge amount of service to more than 270 plus clients. You can see this, guys, how people are actually earning this much amount by actually just doing the copy pasting things. Okay, just you need to type names and you are good to go. Okay, do you want to learn? Just follow along this video, guys. Okay, so I'm in this website, guys. Okay, so guys, all the websites links, okay, all of this these links are in the description box. Okay, you may check out on the description box and you will be redirected to these pages. Okay, so for this, guys, what I need to do, first of all, I just need to create gigs. Okay, on let us suppose I just want to give you an introduction on this platform. Okay, fiverr.com. so if I just show you this on this website, you can eventually do it by posting your gigs on people per hour as well. Okay, so I just quickly do it. Okay, I just quickly do the sign in part, guys. You already know that it's very easy for you guys. Okay, because you guys are amazing and you just need to follow these kind of steps. That's it. Okay, you can see this, guys. So I'm redirected to this page and just click on this switch to selling. Okay, and just need to share my gigs. Okay, just click on this and I can need to share my gigs. Okay, I can share my gigs on this platform. So you can see this, guys. What do I need to do here is to just create a gig. Okay, and what I need to do, I will give unique and attractive business names. Okay, business names. Okay, so this is my tagline. I will give unique and attractive business names. Okay, so this is my category. You can see this, guys. You can give business name and slogans. Okay, writing and translation jobs. You can select company names. Okay, and whatever language you are compatible with, guys. I just need to select English. Okay, and you can give names. Okay, and typing job, and you can select business names, business writing. Okay, so just click on the save and continue and just wait for this, and you can see this pricing part. Okay, so in the pricing part, you can see this, guys. You just need to give basic package that I can give 5 unique names Okay, and just need to copy this and just need to paste it. Okay, name the package. Okay, I just named the package as basic. Okay, just give the basic. 5 unique names. Delivery time you can select 3 days. Okay, so you can give 3. Okay, I just need to give 3. Slogan included, 1 slogan, and do the revision 3. Okay, so select the price as per your niche. I just want to recommend you to give $30. Okay, and if you want to give the extra delivery, okay, you can give extra delivery first. If you want to give $5, you can charge, okay, within 1 day. So you can do it. Just click on the save and continue. Okay, and you can give a description. So I just quickly write down a good description for you guys. Okay, so guys, I have quickly written a small description. You can copy paste this, or you can write your own description as well. Okay, so this is a description that you can provide as per your niche, that I am giving attractive and amazing business names, and the names I provide are catchy and attract more clients for business objectives. Okay, so give your service to the prior. Okay, that I can give this, I can offer this. Okay, so just click on this save and continue. So the requirement, you can give a requirement description of the, so I just select my, you can see this. Okay, description of the project. Okay, just click on this add button and just click on this save and continue. Okay, so you are in this now, guys. Get gig photos you need to select. Okay, so for this part, what I recommend you to come up in this canva.com. Okay, and you can select a design. Okay, you can create we can say that photo collage. Okay, where we can I will show you how to add these collage and provide the names that you can add. Okay, so this is a collage. So what you can do, guys, now the basic part. Sir, what names we can give? So just come up here in this, okay, namelix.com. Okay, this is a tool that you can use for generating the names. Okay, so you just come up here. Let us suppose, guys, earn money is our objective. Okay, this is a business that some business companies help us to earn money online. Okay, whatever the company's business objectives. So you can give get a description about the project. Okay, medium names, long names, you can select whatever. So I just click on this short names and click on this generate, and you can see this, guys. So it will do the generation, and you can see this. These are the names that it will give. Okay, so what you can do, guys, here, you just need to copy paste these names. Okay, you just click on the these names, and what you can do is to take a screenshot of it. Okay, take a screenshot, or you can just take a screenshot. You can take if you are in the mobile phone, just take a what do we say that screenshot on your mobile phone, or you can select a snipping tool. Okay, just take it. Okay, and just click on this save button. Okay, save as on your desktop. Okay, on your desktop, you just need to save on your desktop. You can see this, guys, it's amazing, absolutely amazing. And okay, I have I guess yes, it is successfully done. Okay, you can select some set of photographs. Okay, so you can see this, it's a paid, so I don't recommend you to see this. Okay, you can see the free versions. Okay, initially you can see the free versions. Okay, so you can give these names for this. and you just need to upload it. Okay, so just click on this save as and make a collage of these names. Okay, so you can give a collage name. Okay, and just do it properly. Okay guys, you can see this. I just need to take one more. Okay, so just what do I need to do is to just copy it. So I'm not skipping any part. Why? Because people are always asking me a question that says please don't skip any part. We have to do with your footsteps. Okay, we have to follow your footsteps, and you can see this guys upload button. Okay, you just need to click on this upload button and upload images and just click on this devices. Okay, so you just need to click on this desktop button and you just need to click open. Okay, so what you can do, you just drag and drop these names. Okay, and make a collage. Okay, make a good collage on your own. Okay, so you can see this guys absolutely free of cost. You do not have to spend a penny from your pocket. So these are the business names, services that you can offer. Okay, just click on this download button and you can select a PNG format and just click on this download button. Okay, you can see this. So it's absolutely amazing guys. I've shown you step by step how to do it. Okay, now you just come up here and just create your gig. Okay, so you can select your gig on the desktop. I guess it has saved. Okay, so you can see this guys. Okay, so this is your collage. I have created a demo for you guys. Okay, you can create your own. Just click on this save and continue, and you can see this guys. You just need to publish your gig, and that's simple. Okay, so it's absolutely amazing guys. Okay, you just need to come up here, just set up your gigs, and that's simple. Okay, and you are getting paid this much amount. Okay, so I just wanna tell you that guys, it's absolutely amazing website. Okay, you just need to spend some time and similarly do the same thing with this peoples per hour. Okay, do the same thing with peoples per hour and you are good to go. Okay guys, so this is it for this video guys. We'll see you in the next. Happy earning.